Solve the following linear equations in two variables. Example, x plus 7y is equal to 10, equation number 1, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, equation number 2. Now we want to find values of x and y. Therefore, first observe coefficients of given variables x and y. Here, no any coefficients, so we write here 1. Coefficients of x are 1 and 3, and coefficients of y are plus 7 and minus 2. Means coefficients are not equal. So it is necessary to equate the coefficients of any one of the variables. Therefore, first we equate the coefficients of x. That becomes very easy because we want to multiply equation number 1 by 3. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, then we reduce 1x into 3x. Therefore, we get here 3x plus 3 into 1, 3x plus 7 into 3, 21, and y is equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. This is our new equation number 3. Exactly below we write equation number 2, that is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is our equation number 2. Now here coefficients are equal as well as their signs are also same. When signs are same, then by subtraction. Here we write minus because sign of this 3 is positive. Here minus, so here becomes plus, and here also becomes minus because here plus. Now here plus 3x and minus 3x cancelled. Therefore 21y plus 2y, forget this minus. Therefore 23y is equal to 23, means 30 minus 7, 23. Therefore we get here y is equal to 23 upon 23. The value of y is 1 because 21 ones are 21, 21 ones are 21. Therefore value of y is equal to 1. Now we substitute this value in equation number 1 or 2, any one equation. Substituting in equation which is simple, that is 1. So we substitute this value in equation number 1. So I will write here equation 1, that is x plus 7y is equal to 10. This is our equation number 1. Now we put value of y, that is 1 here. Therefore we get here x plus 7 into 1, value of y, is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 7 into 1, 7 is equal to 10. Now we take like terms together, so we take this plus 7 to the right side, that becomes minus 7. Therefore means x is equal to 10 minus 7. Therefore x is equal to 3. This way we will find out values of variables x and y. Then finally we write here solution. Value of x first, later we write value of y. This is our final solution.